Hi, 801. So I just wanted to give you a little bit of a video for the math packet. This is for lesson 1 and 2, day 1 and 2. This is the first few questions that I'm going to go over with you just so you have an idea of what to do. So for the first problem, we're working with functions and you're just replacing the value of n. So what you're going to do is they want you to find the value for n for 1 through 5. So as you're doing these problems, you're going to plug in the value of n for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and you're going to replace it in the n spot, and that should be able to give you the answer. So again, when you have this, you're just multiplying it, whatever the answer is, subtracting it by 4. And you're doing that for all the numbers 1 through 5. It's pretty simple. Once you get the hang of it, you won't have any issues. And again, if you need a calculator, there are multiple calculators. You can use a Google calculator, or you can also go on the website that I posted on our Google Classroom. That has an algebra calculator where you can plug in negative numbers. So if you have any issues with multiplying or subtracting with negative numbers, that math calculator is a great tool. All right, so for problem number 2, you're doing the same thing. It's just in a fraction form. So this is the formula that they're giving you. This is the formula that you're pretty much going to work with for all of the problems. You have 1 divided by 3 with the exponents being n minus 1. So you're just going to do everything for n for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You're going to do those problems, solve them, and figure them out. So for the first one, which is the value of n is 1, you come over here, you have 1 over 3 with n, right, which is 1, 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So 1 over 3, 0 is 1, and that gives you your final answer. So then you do the same thing for 2, 3, 4, and 5. So let's look at the problem where the n value, because remember this is n, right? So our answer is 1 for that one, and we're going to do number 2. Our n value is 2. So when you have 1 over 3 with the exponents is 2 minus 1, that's going to give us 1 over 3, and the exponent is going to be 1. So 3 to the first power, which we know is 3, so that essentially is our answer. So you have the first 2 done for you. For the second one, you would set it up as 1 over 3 with 3 minus 1. So that's going to give us 1 over 3 to the second power, okay? And then you're going to factor that out. Remember, when we do exponents, it's just the number times itself. So it's going to be 3 times 3, okay? So that is not the final answer. I still need you to figure that out. So that is for problems 1 through 2. I'm going to also post a video for the next problems as well. And remember, this is for day 1 and 2. I have a very small whiteboard, so I have to do this by problem. So this is for day 1 and day 2. Problems 1 and 2. You have to finish it, and I'm going to send you another video.